Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atlapink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that it looks like that finally there's an agreement between the Russian government and the central bank as they agree to treat Bitcoin as a currency, and it's much better than to ban it, right? The second thing I would like to talk about is Forbes announces a $200 million strategic investment from Binance. And thirdly, Tom Lee sees money from speculative stock eventually flowing into crypto. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you every single weekday. Also, check out the links under this video, many useful links you can save money with, and also a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now it's time to looking at the market. And we can see now price increase. And just when I now started to record the video, news came out. And it's all about that Ukraine, basically that Moscow is beginning to return troops to the Ukraine, return troops from the Ukraine border to their bases. And this was the announcement by, the Russian government. So basically it's good news because they're moving away the troops from, the Ukraine border. And also, Moscow has repeatedly insisted it has no plans to invade Ukraine despite warning from Western countries in the recent days that an invasion is likely to be imminent. So things right now from this side, from this Ukraine conflict and the Russian conflict side, looks better, and therefore we see actually an increase now. 5% Bitcoin went up in 24 hours, and also we have Ethereum up 8%. Also, there's another news, also about the Russian thing, which I'm going to talk about in a second. It's also a positive thing. And when we're looking at the winners, we see Cadena now going up very well, 24% up. We see Gala, 19%. We see the Graph going up 20%. So nice gains today. And when we're looking at the losers, we shouldn't really mention them. This is nothing. Today we're having actually a good day altogether. So when we're looking at this Bitcoin candlestick chart, we see this very important level, which is marked here around 45,000-ish. And we are right now there. So let's see. This is a 4-hour candle, which has just started here. We see how it will do the last couple of 4 hours. 4 green candles in a row. Let's see, the fifth one will be a green one, and it will stay above it. This is now the question, but actually it looks perfect in the way that we here reached here basically the bottom, and then here a lower high, and then here up, and then in this way, and higher and higher lows, and higher and higher highs. This would be the goal, to go in this direction upwards. And yes, this 42-41 level again worked very well. Now great news came out. Is this enough to break 44,045 and go above it, or this will be a rejection here once again? Well, we will see. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that. It looks like there's an agreement now between Russian government and a central bank to trade Bitcoin as a currency. One of the issues which brought uncertainty was how Russia going to handle cryptocurrencies. And now it looks like there is an agreement between Russian government and the central bank to trade Bitcoin as currency. And so cryptocurrency transaction of more than 600,000 rubles, which is roughly speaking 8,000 US dollar, will have to be declared. Otherwise, it would be considered a criminal act. So, okay, there are regulations how it's going to happen. So the Russian government and the central bank are now working on the draft law that will define crypto as an analog of cryptocurrencies currencies rather than digital finance asset, set to be launched on the 18th of February. Cryptocurrencies would function in the legal industry only if they have complete identification through the banking system or licensed intermediaries. Bitcoin transaction and possession of cryptocurrency in Russian Federation are not prohibited. However, they must be done through a digital currency exchange organizer, a bank, or a peer-to-peer exchange licensed in the country. So basically what's happening here with regulations, they would like to make it happen, make it more crypto friendly. Here's also the article says why it is still unclear what this decision will mean for businesses and citizens in Russia. It seems that the country is slowly warming up to the idea of cryptocurrencies. And because they're going in this direction rather than the ban direction, this is definitely positive news. Whoa, what's up here with the zooming? So it's definitely positive news, and also it's right now moving the market also upwards. Okay, second topic I would like to discuss is that Forbes announced that there's a 200 million strategic investment from Binance. It's very important that people are getting accurate and real information about blockchain and cryptocurrency. And if you're looking for some kind of information, then you should find the right source. Forbes is definitely a source which many people rely on. And now Forbes announces a 200 million strategic investment from Binance. So 200 million strategic investment from Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency and blockchain infrastructure provider. So from Forbes side, Mike Federal, who is the CEO of Forbes, said that with Binance's investment in Forbes, we now have the experience, network, and resource of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange and one of the world's most successful blockchain innovators. Forbes already a resource for people interested in the emerging world of digital assets, can become a true leader in the field with their help. So basically, with this strategic investment, probably you can read more things about crypto, about blockchain in Forbes, because now they have this partnership with Binance, which definitely going to help the financial world, the investor world, and the business world to get a broader view over crypto and blockchain, which again helps cryptocurrency gain. So I think this is a very important one. Okay, and the next topic, it's all about that Tom Lee sees money from speculative stocks eventually will flow into crypto. So let's talk about that. Now we have issues here that why you should actually put your money in bonds when we have such a big, inflation. And it makes sense to find something else, and crypto could be something else. So also Tom Lee is saying that with rates on the rise, money from speculative stock eventually flowing into crypto. So when Tom Lee, Fundstrat published its first report on Bitcoin about 5 years ago, it said that by 2022, so this year, cryptocurrency could be between 15,000 and 50,000. Well, right now they spot on because we are in this upper area of that prediction. So Tom Lee, who is the Fundstrat founder, said that means starting here. So interest rates looks like they are set to reverse almost 30 years of declines. This is what he said. That means for the next 10 years, you're guaranteed to lose money owning bonds. That almost 60 trillion of 142 trillion of US household net worth. And actually, Goldman Sachs is now predicting 7 rate hikes this year. So many rate hikes. And it's going to eventually, all these things flow into crypto. This is what they predict, because it's just no point to keep it in bonds. It doesn't bring that much. And with all these things, what the federal Fed is doing right now, it's definitely not helping. Therefore, in his opinion, crypto could be big, and he is a believer in crypto. That's why he made this prediction 5 years ago. Guys, 5 years ago, we lived in a totally different world than we're living right now. And he also believes that because money has to find a new way, and therefore it can go into crypto, which is, again, good for crypto. So that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button. If you would like to get this daily first cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe, bell button, all that's it. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Guys, tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest. I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.